Here we are going to continue the size dependent properties of nanoparticles. In this we are going to see the chemical property. In this chemical property, the reaction rates are depending upon the nanoparticle size. When the nanoparticle very small size, the reaction rate is very high in the chemical, as well as the higher surface energy, very high surface area to volume ratio also increase in the chemical reaction rate. Okay. Next, then different length scales. There are enormous length scale differences are used at the different scales, defining the different forces and also dominate the different. Here different models also providing the different models also used to explaining the different length scales. Okay. Next, here you can see this the scale diagram. Dominant objects, tools, models and forces at various different scales are used to explaining the size dependent properties. Then three important ways in which nanomaterials may differ from the micro scale materials. One is gravitational forces become negligible and electromagnetic forces also very high, dominate. Then quantum mechanics is the model used to describe the motion as well as energy, and instead of the classical mechanic models, greater surface to volume ratio also used for providing the differentiation. Then dominance of electromagnetic forces. Gravity, first initially we are going to see the gravitational force is the function of mass and distance, and is very weak between the nano sized particles, because here mass is very less and distance also when it is very high, so low, due to the low mass only the gravitational force is very less. Then next one is electromagnetic forces is a function of charge and distance, is not affected by the mass, so it can be very high because it is the mass only the very less, but due to this it is very high in the nanoparticle size. Then quantum effect. The classical mechanical models that we use. Now we are going to see the quantum effects. Here classical mechanical models that we use to understand the matter at the macro scale breaks down for. Okay, at the macro scale breaks down, we will get the nanoscale system. So if we use with help of this, we are going to see the understand okay, classical mechanics. Okay, very small systems. Okay, quantum mechanics better describes the phenomena that the classical physics cannot, like a color of nanocoals, probability of where an electron will be found below a certain length scale system must be described using the quantum mechanics. Next, here you can see this how surface to volume ratio is increasing. For 1 meter cube, this area of the area is 6 into 1 meter cube is 6 meter cube, then here area is 12 meter cube, and here area is 18 meter cube. A greater amount of substance comes into contact with the surrounding material. Here you can see this greater amount of here only one. This result better catalyst since the greater proportion of the material is exposed for potential reaction. Also we already saw this enough surface to volume ratio is. Next we are going to see the three generic nanostructure. One is quantum and is quantum wire. Third one is quantum well. So before going to this topic, what is quantum dot? Quantum dots are theoretical tiny semiconductor, as a theoretical only, a tiny semiconductor particle a few nanometers in size, have a optical and electrical properties that are different from large particles due to the quantum mechanics. There are a center topic in nanotechnology. This is you can say this. Blue light, when you are applying the blue light with help of the quantum dot size is 2, so it will be emitted a light in this color. Okay, a quantum dots are made man-made scale crystal nanoscale crystals that are that can transport electrons. When ultraviolet lights hits this semiconductor nanoparticle, they can emit lights of various colors. You can say this various colors. These artificial semiconductor nanoparticles that have found in application composite solar cells and fluorescent biological labels. Then quantum wires, where electrons are free to move in only one direction and confined to two directions. Since quantum dot is a nano-sized particle where electrons are totally confined and cannot move in anywhere. In this case, electron energy levels bands are widened in the maximum. Quantum well is a potential well with only discrete energy values. This classic model used to demonstrate a quantum well is to confine particles which were initially free to move in 3 dimensions to 2 dimensions by forcing them to occupy in a planar region. A quantum well laser is a laser diode which the active region of the quantum device is so narrow that quantum confinement occurs. The wavelength of the light emitted by a quantum well laser is determined by the thickness of the active region rather than just the band gap of the material from which it is constructed. Property change. When the materials shrink to nanoscale, the property will change drastically. This can be explained by the largely increased surface area to volume ratio. The larger ratio gives the rise to new quantum mechanical effects. For example, electronic properties of many solids are altered when they reach nanoscale. Here they will give copper, the macroscale is opaque, then transparent, platinum inert, catholic, aluminum stable, combustible, gold solid at room temperature, liquid at room temperature. Then silicon is a insulator and conductor. Then crystal structure. Most of the solids are crystalline with their atoms are arranged in a regular manner. We already saw that enough introduction in the previous online class. Anyway, there I am going to continue. They have what is called long range order because the regularity can extend throughout the crystal. Yeah, be RC order. Then short range is available in the amorphous material like a glasses and wax, but they have the what is called short range order. Okay, liquids also have a short range but lack long range order. Gases lack both long and short range order. Then already saw that Bravais lattices. Okay, they are having a 14 Bravais lattices structure. Then unit cell. Okay, there are 3 Bravais lattices in cubic system, namely primitive simple cubic lattice in which atoms are occupied in 8 pieces of cubic unit cell as shown in figure. A body centered cubic lattice with a lattice point occupied with a space of spaces and in the center of the unit cell and indicated in the figure 2.3b, and a face centered cubic Bravais lattices with the atoms are at the corner points and the center atom. One atom will be available in the center of the faces as shown in the figure 2. And this is the chart already saw that. Then magic number, they are called structural magic numbers because they arise from maximum volume, maximum density nanoparticles that approximate a spherical shape and have close to packed structure characteristics of a bulk solid. These magic numbers take no account of electronic structure of the constituent atoms in the nanoparticle. Some times. The dominant factors is determining the maximum energy of the structure of a small nanoparticle is the interaction of the valence electrons of the constituent atoms with an average molecular potential, so that the electrons occupy orbital level associated with this potential. Atomic cluster configuration in which these electrons filled closed shells are especially stable and constitute electronic magic number. Here they will give how calculate the number of atoms in the surfaces. This equations provides. Similarly, energy bands. Okay, insulator, semiconductor, and conductor. There are three types of materials are there. When a solid is formed, the energy levels of the atoms broaden and form bands with forbidden gaps between them. The electrons can have energy values that exist within one of the bands, but cannot have energies corresponding to the values in these gaps between the bands. The low energy bands, due to the inner atomic level and narrow here and are full of the electrons, so they do not contribute to the electronic properties of a material. They are not shown in the figure. We are not having the figure. The outer of the valence electrons that the band of the crystal together occupies what they call the valence band. For insulating material, the valence band is full of electrons that cannot move since they are fixed in position in a chemical bond. So they are delocalized electrons to carry a current. So the material is insulated. Conclusion of this unit is nanoscience refers to the science with the dimension in the range from the 1 to 100 nanometers. A nanoscience building blocks may consist of anywhere from a few hundred atoms to millions of atoms. In nanoscale, properties like electrical, mechanical, optical, chemical, and biological are fundamentally different from the bulk material. A nanoscale properties like electrical, mechanical, optical, chemical, and biological are shape and size dependent.